Some lease violations are so serious that California law allows a landlord to demand the tenant vacate without any opportunity to cure. The 3-day unconditional quit notice is reserved for these situations. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's when and how to use California's 3-day unconditional quit notice. Under California Civil Code, paragraph 1161(4), an unconditional quit notice applies when a tenant has caused significant damage to the property, committed waste, created a nuisance, used the property for an unlawful purpose, including drug activity, or committed a criminal act on the premises. It also applies when a tenant has violated the same lease term twice within 12 months after receiving a prior cure notice. Unlike the cure or quit notice, the unconditional notice gives the tenant no option to fix the problem. They simply have 3 days to vacate. The notice must specify the grounds for the unconditional termination. Documentation is critical. Without strong evidence of the qualifying conduct, police reports, photos, sworn statements from witnesses, courts will scrutinize these notices closely. For AB 1482 covered properties, additional just cause termination requirements apply and should be reviewed before serving any unconditional notice. For the free form and California landlord resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.